Welcome back to my kitchen. Today a simple breakfast. This is Nigerian potato. You can use Irish potato for it. This is flour, but this one is chapati. You can use any flour for my Nigerian people. And this is tomato, onion, dry chili, and what I'm making is chapati paratta. Yeah, you can call it flour paratta. This tomato is for the sauce. So let's go. I just need small. Add some salt. Just add some salt here and some oil. Don't mix it to be very soft. Just add some oil and mix. Remove the potato. Mash. A pinch of salt. Black pepper. You can use any pepper. It's not required. This turmeric powder. Reduce the heat. Tomato chutney is ready. Yeah. Thanks for watching.